Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Press Win+E to open File Explorer and pin it to the taskbar for one-click access. Next, make hidden files and extensions visible so you always see real file names. Go to View Show Hidden Items and Folder Options, View Uncheck Hide Extensions. Once done, pick Details View, resize columns to show date modified and type, and apply that folder template to similar folders so your layout stays consistent across projects. Now you'll build a reliable structure. Pin frequently used folders to quick access and enable libraries for documents, music, and photos to aggregate related locations. Use new File Explorer tabs to keep multiple folders open without clutter. Open a tab, right-click a folder, and choose Open in New tab. For complex searches, type search terms, then refine with date modified, size, and kind filters. Make sure OneDrive Selective Sync is set so only needed files download locally, helping performance and backups. Finish by locking in defaults. Assign file types to preferred apps in Settings Apps Default Apps so opening files is predictable. Create folder templates and simple automated rules for naming or moving files to save repetitive work, and schedule backups to OneDrive or an external drive for recovery. If File Explorer slows, try restarting Explorer. EXE in Task Manager or reset folder options to defaults. If that fails, sign out or reboot. One clear tip: restart Explorer first. It often fixes weird UI glitches instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.